Arm. Upper limb of the body. She lifted her arm to wave. Eye. Organ of vision. He has blue eyes. Ear. Organ of hearing. She pierced her ear. Leg. Limb used for walking. He injured his leg while running. Body. Entire physical structure. The body needs rest. Hand. End part of the arm. She held the pen in her hand. Foot. Lower limb end part. He stood on one foot. Face. Front part of the head. She has a friendly face. Hair. Threads growing from the scalp. She combed her hair. Head. Upper part of the body. He nodded his head in agreement. Skin. Outer covering of the body. He has sensitive skin. Nose. Organ of smell. She has a small nose. Mouth. Opening for food intake. He opened his mouth to speak. Heart. Organ that pumps blood. His heart was racing. Finger. Digit of the hand. She wore a ring on her finger.